Okoyomo Omage. Oh, already have that. Very good. Yeah. There won't be any warning bell. It's just going to be stopped. All right. How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
I love that. Okay, please, can you please step forward? Can you go to the other side? You say what? Please, can you open it? Please, yeah, please try to shake it yourself before you pick. Good. Thank you. No, you give me, I'm going to open it for you. Thank you. I need to be very, usually, the first speaker really gets a little, because, you're the first person eating it. So there's always like a disadvantage. So I need you guys to encourage her with some applause right now. Come on. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said before, I'm going to read the topic for you twice. So after the second time, your time starts counting. Okay. Please, excuse me, thank you, Papa. Please come. All right. I'm sure you are conversant with the topic. Thank you. I went to Career Expo. Ladies and gentlemen, your topic is this: ozone layer depletion. Ozone layer depletion. Your time starts now.
Imagine you were walking in the rain and you had an umbrella, and somebody took a pen and began to poke holes in your umbrella, and the rain began to follow. That is how the head feels now that the ozone layer is depleting. The rain and the ultraviolet rays of the sun. The rays are the ultraviolet rays of the sun, and they are slowly burning up the earth. All this is as a result of our carelessness, continuously burning gas and fossil fuels, reducing the earth to what she never planned to be. And so a call goes out to you today. Save the earth, save the ozone layer, plant a tree today.